Hey Noah, what you doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I put Play-Doh in the pan.
You put Play-Doh in the pan?
Yeah. I put Play-Doh.
Oh, I see it. That's cool. What are you going to do with it?
The Play-Doh in a pan.
Very good. Are you going to cook it?
Yeah. I cooked it.
You cooked it?
Yeah. I got to get this out there.
Very good.
There. And now mix it.
That's right.
And it gets some more out there.
Okay.
Come on, Play-Doh. Come on.
Can you get it?
Yeah. Okay, there. And mix it.
And then you mix it?
Yeah. First, I got to get some more.
Oh, there you go.